The musical chef in the house.
How are you, Tama?
Uthini?
Ngiyaphila.
Ugrand mekhaya?
Ngiyaphila, Tama.
Ah, what's up? What's happening?
Ayi khona into ezayo la ikumkani.
Ne?
Yeah, my first
Uyazipheka uthi.
solo album. Khona into ehlanganayo. Ngenzele something.
Let's listen. Ivulele.
Ah,
This is what you pay.
Like it, Tama.
Nice, man. Yeah, finally, solo album, man. Guys, musical chef has been in the game for a long time. And uspande na machitapa.
Yo, kakhulu. Yeah. With this album, I've drawn inspiration. Kwabantu abaningi ngisipane nabo eMzansi, DJ Maphorisa, uKabza, and this year and last year we had a fantastic year with Kelvin Momo. We did wonderful.
Hlangane nawe first time hlangana nawe unotemthude.
Notemthude, yes.
Yeah, uspane naye.
Yes.
Nice. Finally, chef, you decided to release a solo album.
Yes,
Why you take this card to see
it took me ukuthi ngisayofunda and nami ngithola inspiration and polish up my skills and get a specific sound that ngizobambelela kuyo for longest time in the game.
Nice, guys. Can you see, guys? This guy has been in the game for a long time, but he took his time. Yonke into inesikhathi sayo. Your time is coming. This is the musical chef's time.
Ngiyabonga. Ikumkani.
Sure.
Thank you.